Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. Hello everyone. Excuse me to introduce myself. My complete name is Muhammad Haikal Afran Shah and my nickname is Haikal. You can call me Haikal. Now, I will to introduce my family to all of you. We start from here. Abdul Rahman. He is my grandfather. I have a grandfather. His name is Abdul Rahman. So Abdul Rahman married to Halimah, and Halimah, she is my grandmother. Abdul Rahman and Halimah, they have 7 children. The first child, her name is Badriah. The next child, his name is Hasim. So the next child, his name is Hussein. The next child, her name is Nurlela. So the next child, her name is Nursita. So the next child, his name is Ruslan. So the next child, her name is Jannah. And Badriah, this is my auntie. So Hasim, this is my uncle, and Hussein, he is my uncle too. And Nurlela, this is my auntie. Nursitam, she is my auntie. And Ruslan, this is my father. Yes, my father name is Ruslan. So the next child, Jannah, this is she is my auntie too. So we start from here. Badriah married to Bogot, and Bogot, he is my uncle. Badriah and Bogot have 3 children. The first child, her name is Ita. So the next child, her name is Ria. So the next child, her name is Ratna. And Ita, Ria, Ratna, here is my female cousin. Yes, Ita, she is my female cousin. Ria is my female cousin, and Ratna, she is my female cousin. So we start from Hasim. The next, Hasim, my uncle, he is married to Nilam, and Nilam, she is my auntie. And Hasim and Nilam, they have 2 children. The first child, his name is Hasan, and the next child, his name is Akbar. And Hasan, he is my male cousin, and Akbar too, he is my male cousin. Next, Hussein, my Uncle Hussein. Hussein is my uncle. Hussein married to Orah, and they have a child. Her name is Zubaidah, and Zubaidah, she is my female cousin. So the next, Nurlela. Nurlela, she is my auntie. She married to Mahruf, and Mahruf, he is my uncle. Nurlela and Mahruf, they have 2 children. The first child, his name is Minin, and the next child, her name is Liz. And Minin, he is my female cousin. And Minin, he is my male cousin. And Liz, she is my female cousin. So next, Nursitam. Nursitam is my auntie. Nursitam married to Maron, and they have 2 children. First child is the first child. Her name is Nuri, and the next child, his name is Rapid. Nuri, she is my female cousin. And Rabbit, he is my male cousin. So Ruslan, he is my father. My father name is Ruslan. Ruslan married to Norafia, and Norafia, she is my mother. My mother name is Norafia, and they have 3 children. The first child, his name is Haikal. Yes, Haikal is my name. So the next child, his name is Firman. Yes, Firman, he is my brother. So next child is Aisyah. Aisyah, my sister. Yes, my sister name is Aisyah. So next Jannah. Jannah, she is my auntie. Jannah married to Iwan, and Iwan, he is my uncle. Jannah and Iwan have 2 children. The first child, her name is Sasa. So the next child, her name is Sisi. Sasa, she is my female cousin, and Sisi too, she is my female cousin. Okay, my friend, I think enough. Thank you for your attention. Aqulu qouli hadza wa astaghfirullahal azim li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.